Okay, now that we have learned about the kinematics, here the second part, that was uniform acceleration or KLPP and freefall motion or KJP. Yeah, let's start making a Unity project then. Now, this time we will start from scratch. So please make a new Unity 2D project. Yeah, I have created my new Unity project here in 2D, of course. Yeah, you can name it as you want, but I recommend PBA week 3, yeah, to avoid future confusion. Yeah, so I have created PBA Z week 3 over here. Yeah, and this time we will try to make a uniform acceleration simulation or KLPP in Unity, and as well freefall motion or KJP. Yeah, so for this video, I will create a 3-part. Yeah, the first part is the preparation. The second part will be the uniform acceleration simulation. Yeah, we will create a uniform acceleration or KLPP simulation. And the final or the third part is the freefall motion or KJP. Okay, let's start. Yeah, for now, after you have created your Unity 2D project, please create 2 new folders in your assets folders. Yeah, name it sprites and scripts. Okay, so I have scenes here. I will create a new folder for my sprites and scripts as well. Scripts. And then rename the sample scene inside the scenes folder into KLPP. Let's do that. Since let's rename this, just press F2. Yeah, rename it to KLPP. If you are asked, do you want to reload the scenes? Just press reload. Okay, and then the next part is create a new scene. Yeah, right click on the empty space inside the project panel scenes folder right here. Just right click, then choose create and select scene. Yeah, over here. Name it KGB. Yeah, we will create the animation or simulation for the KGP part in the final part of this video. Yeah, and then please download the boulder.png file from the classroom and put it in sprites, and also import the car.png from before, also put it in sprites. Yeah, so I will open my sprites folder, and then I will locate my car and my boulder.png, and then import it to the sprites folder. Yeah, so you will have 2 sprites here. The boulder, we will use it for the KJP simulation, and car from the last week's session, yeah, we will use it for the KLPP simulations. Okay, now we have 3 folders, 2 scenes, and 2 sprites. I think the preparation is complete. Yeah, for the next part, we will start creating the simulation for the uniform acceleration or KLPP. Yeah, I will explain how to do that in the next video, so please check it out.